In this video, I will show you how to create this trending effect that is now trending online now.
2 days for serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
So many creators are using this effect to get more views in their videos. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to create it in a simple method. So let's get started now. So if you are new with this channel, I'm Miracle Update. In this channel, I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Alright, so let's start with the tutorial. We are going to use Ucut to achieve this. This is Ucut over here. So click on the Ucut, then click on the plus icon, new project, import the video you want to add the cutout effect. Okay, so I'm going to use a random video for the purpose of this tutorial. So now this is the video I want to use. I'll just tap on it, then I'll tap on the arrow to add it. So this is the video right here. So the first thing you should do is to play the video and bring out the part you want to add the cutout effect. Okay, so let me play the video and check out the place I want to add. Alright, so I want the cutout effect to be here. So tap on it, then slide, you'll see freeze. Click on the freeze. Okay, so once you click on the freeze mean to turn the video into picture. Okay, that particular part that you stopped is going to turn to picture. So this is it over here. You can see it's now a picture. So you now play again. Yeah, so I want the cutout effect to be here also. So I'll tap on it, then I'll slide to freeze again. So are you seeing what I'm doing? So after doing this, the next thing you should do is delete the main video. Tap on it, click on delete the main video. Okay, so I'm deleting the main video here to leave only the picture that we freeze. Okay, yeah, so this is the one that we freeze. It's only 2 clip. So after doing this, then save your work. Okay, so once the thing is saved, the next thing you should do, don't click on the home icon here. Click on this arrow that is showing back. Okay, this back arrow over here, click on it to go back to the timeline. Okay, so once that is being done, then click on this arrow to undo the delete. Are you seeing it? So I have undo all the delete. So the next thing you should do is delete the pictures. Firstly we deleted the video, then the second time we are going to delete the pictures only. Okay, so this is the picture we freeze, then I'll click on delete, and this one also. So once you delete it, check if your video is complete. Let's check if the video is complete.
For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
Alright, so the video is complete. So the next thing you will do is to import the picture that we save as a video. Okay, so click on PIP to import it. Yeah, so this is the picture over here. I have imported. So once you import the picture, the next thing you should do is click on this cutout here. This cutout that is showing on top, click on it to move the background of the picture. Okay, alright, so the cutout is completed. So the next thing you should do is slide and cut the picture according to the part that we cut out on two sides. Okay, so I'm going to split it to bring out the two sides that we cut. I see what I'm doing. Well, yes, so this is the two parts that we cut. This is the first one, you can see it over here, and this is the second one. Okay, so the next thing you do is to drag it and fit into the place that we cut it off. Okay, so this is the place we cut it from. So what I'm going to do here is trimming. Hold the edge part, then slide it. Here is okay. So after doing this, you go to the second one and also place it to the place that we cut it from. Okay, so are you seeing what I'm doing? Yeah, so don't let it to reach the end of the video or the beginning of the video clip, the one you cut it from. Okay, just let it be at the middle, but let the last part be smaller than the first part. Okay, so you can see it over here. So the next thing you do now is to now add the keyframe. Okay, this is how we are going to do it. Resize this picture. Are you see how I'm resizing it with your thumb? Then slide it to the down. Slide it like this. Okay, depending on where you want the effect to come out from. Okay, so after sliding it down, click on the keyframe over here, then move at this at the ending. I see what I'm doing. Then bring the picture out. Once you bring it out, then resize it to fit in the main video. Okay, I see what I'm doing. Then I'll take it back. So once it fits in the middle, you'll see a line showing. Okay, so this is the line. This one has shown. Let's check the. All right, so this is how you do it. Yeah, so this is the middle. This is the middle. After doing this one, then move again to the second one. Do the same thing to this second one. Okay, do the same thing. So we are going to bring it down. First of all, resize it. Then let's say this one is going to come out from here. All right, so take it down. All right, so add a keyframe, then come to the ending part. I use what I'm doing. So come to the ending part over here. Make sure that this red line is touching the ending part so that you can see the picture to drag. Okay, are you seeing that is not touching? That is the reason we are not seeing any picture highlighted. So you're going to make sure that it touches it. Okay, so now have you seen that the picture is now highlighted because the red line is touching the picture clip? Okay, so you now bring it out just as we did for the first one, then resize it to fit in the picture. That's what I'm doing. Then bring it to the middle, so it's now in the middle. That's what I'm doing. So after doing this is, let's play the video now and see the effect that we just do.
2 days for serious people only. So take the
Are you
advantage
seeing
now
it?
with 1K only.
Are you seeing it? So that is not the end. Another thing you should do is click on the picture clip again, then um go to curve, then choose the kind of curve you want to add. Okay, so I like adding this cubic out.
Serious people
Alright,
only.
so this is the curve I want to add for this part. Then I'll move to the second part and I'll add another curve. Okay, so I'll add ease out for this part.
With 1.
Alright, so this is awesome. So after adding it, now you can now add your sound effect. So to add a sound effect, tap outside the clip, then go to music, click on music, then it will take you to your phone music storage. Okay, then you choose the kind of sound effect you want to add, or if you want to go with the sound effect in this app, you can go with it, but you first of all have your data internet connection. Okay, so this is awesome. Alright, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I would like you to stay the next video you would like to watch next, and I'll see you in the next video.
2 days for serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.